Good day, this is Tom Luque, MastGates.com, on a J70 sailboat with this profile feed track. The proper slug for this size of profile is a 5/16 inch diameter sail slug. It is the prototype of a short tab insert, and they can be ordered with a short tab or a long tab for more strength and holes for mounting for heavy weather sailing and racing. And now you can raise and lower your sail for easy reefing. And when you go into your bolt rope, just leave this out and store it away. Thank you for viewing MastGates.com J70 insert.